the transmission authority can manyakoba nullified. The one
Yes.
Because things were not clear by via quality. You go promise guy that might go say radio full manager kongari bagana in the next time. Because bune chairman yevyama na igule amaramisi y'abantu gukitore ko engage abantu bakoro kwa CHAILAC, Justice and Legal Affairs Committee. Ya parliament igore yamangana.
Okay.
Go engage the IPC on the same, because the moment toko and chikura with such suspicion, already everything is messed. No, kora kendi Jones kerebuya, as long as suspicion here saw it on the way, we will have a problem.
Okay.
Go na leo saba, abana inchi baito bato libaga, to aria raising a issue a very thorny. It's a very thorny issue about transmission. Now, it has been a point of debate, and I can confirm everywhere in all the parts of this country.
All right. By the way, kubeka buyomo busi engana ya abantu bene no nechinyomba choboraria ogotwara parallel tallying yani roba ugendere to kubekera nyama machibu yobo chori because kwa majiko ronye kwa ligereirie enseme ya moya siasa keko tabanga ntu tayare twarosiri 55,000 accounts, digital accounts chigo chiko watokera wa Kenya machibu unagenda tugoche masemo. In the event, for example, nchengo liginde chikura wetera si account yane na oro kiria bantonga machibu na raya alafu machibu aliyeko pa transmitted na IBC yatoka ngarama ngao nchengo tabiya abantu bana batiyoteli bana nga amachibu yekene na raya lakini ente koro ka IBC iko kiao. Maybe is it one of the precautions IBC koira so that the kiagara most likely abatiyoteli bana bara again tongo batebe otebenga hapa kuna ukarabati.
IBC amangana tallying Association of Media Association.
Yes.
They were the right. You go transmit, but they don't have a right. You go announce results. They have a right to transmit what has been announced by the presiding officer.
Can they do tallying?
They cannot. They don't have the powers to do that. It's only IPC that has got the power to do the tallying. Yes.
Okay. Because no vyama vya siasa vinde vya tebirenga na hindu tuarosiri chi account chetu will be doing tallying. No. Wakihesabu na sisi tunahesabu.
Legally they do not have the powers.
Yes.
Lakini umuntu nabagwa akachikura chaye so that ekerego cha kutangazo chiritia tangasire aba usingolire chiarenge na chiria the presiding officer yalego ku announce ya so dekere returning officer ego cha ku announce wamanyanga a presiding officer ya center gete yabe yagateba chinganiga center gete yagateba chinganiga.
Yes.
So as a candidate you have a right to put together what the presiding officer batebiri.
Okay.
So that you can compare what the returning officer agocha ku announce.
All right.
That one is allowed. So you can have, but you cannot do it officially. The person who has the official power is the returning officer. Yes.
Okay.
Do the announcement.
Pati lindo chikuirane ili liboli dia ikibasura kinaende elinde komobeka bya complete mwenge a transmission process munire kolengana silichi kwa sebono.
Transmission process munire. And this one I want to give a caution to IPC. And we are going to do that in the boardrooms because we are going to engage them. There is no reason why we should not have electronic transmission. Yes.
Okay.
According to section 44 of the Elections Act. We need it very clear. A challenge you katubata boniga. Abanda aba proposed the election amendment bill yons. Kwa wango propose bale a coalition party in that amendment bill. File the nomination regulation rules within 14 days. Meaning, go hide behind the timelines which had been passed. I want to tell you, it has been added in Parliament. It was not there in the proposal Chepukati from IPC.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. Sawa. Tuira nase libolje Peter for example na inde genta kuona nekene because matuka maigaga na somire chiroboti chia umuliki bwe byama registry political parties nengana ya lengo kwanyora ba Kenya ego kwali ketigwe kiama gete ankwanye kumanya guseno ole member ya yosene ya UPA yosene ya PPK lakini kumbe na bole member tamanye tinga no ole member anda kenga kia ba Kenya baranyere ko baba kwa ene kimna bono tokondo bocholiwa muchujo confirmation nga inche gonde kia magete tingi ya se kia magete guseni ndo gusitingio nga kyo ba Kenya ra confirm
bia bono ine challenge ere boni ga with the data ya register political parties.
Yes.
Dichiko dia etiriwe ligote yabanga register political parties nero rarwe is certified register chipati chihoja kutumia kwa nominations. That is the law as it has been passed.
Okay.
Registrar of political parties, they are using a system we call PPMS. United Sakale yabete hacked this week. Biako tebo maene na tote wa Kenya umaene. Ekale system yabete hacked. Ntobu atibu maene nga gochiposia. Ntochiko tuara collect data kurua se a system we. Go we are as stakeholders, una political parties, jebune chairman ye vya siasa, nto propose the register political parties, bali ye system we ngao. Etali konyara ko manipulated na liera alete obu asioku as a membership lists. Boni kama natoko kwana tete ko dawa na inchi baito kona njonga bera sinini. Inga nomination bone guchikoba bono guchibosio guchikoletere problem enene asinginju ya nomination lists chigo cha kutumika.
Okay.
Igo na kitole ko advising asegusi kabara acha BPK turaba direct nominations tunakoligera lina toko na kwebanga nga kitoko cha kubeka omochoko as nomination list egere party primaries chivya mebinde buna toko na kusuko chibosio onyo leto a prepare list ere acceptable to the people montata ri kwenyora ina data list abantu bande bale kwenyora list ekera ali sign from another party immediately kwenyora na inde obekire party ende liata kiteko na kujoin party liata kite.
Okay. Anda ke bia se faida yomotegererio ne ko waka chikura se obochori wa muchujo lichiko sesiri gotebanga onye gogo chigo waka chikura so bochori totebe goseno bwa
BBK BBK indirect
goikobo mo bwatani onye no ODM for example goikobe member ya ODM ngonyoro lenga kiyo mo bochori wa muchujo kwanyora abantu baichoriti obonge as a polling station gotebate to gwake kura again to understand tibuya anda ke mubekera ngo biye keroro mubwatani bw'ikiama nkiga kora ngoro mubwatani bw'ikiama as opposed kobo mwake kura a registered voter because not every voter can vote as a party primaries
bia mono na kina irorera ritanga ni gotebanga data ye korokwa ichike litwete tibono political parties act ige gotebanga a party list a list elia abana chama be chama elia nere gotumika gokoli nomination goikoto kenga nole se list elia kiama kerike gokolia omochucho yibweli tukerio na indo mondo wende korwe list eyo register political parties ina ateba yarorekanire gutwara bututukano te wana igo na bo ndako yendaria anyoreri taria yendiyo litari ndikare se party ngao inero bono yaretiro obwoba bonge buna ngaki nominations to occur at the party level. That's why when you want to go to Boba, they don't want to trust. Singe jolichiko ya etiriwe na ende onye tiruja kubwatia nomination yeyu. You go even the people akora bire na and for it they will be cancelled by the registrar.
All right. Basically, kobomo bwata ni wekiama, what do you need?
Ebyama wao mbibwate amachiko yogo choini chama. Yo ndina volunteer about membership. Nganye na lenge chama ende na ndinki.
Yes.
Ekara wa chile chama ende kile chama ni bota machikai. Unabone chama ya Progressive Party iko kobe live member. onye gotagete koba a candidate. But there is the normal membership. Ya 20 shillings. Wakana kwa ewe card egere card chiria bantu bomaye this job is cheito chiri gusigweta. Membership ye card no kwa card ya kworo kenga you are a member of that card.
All right. Actually kina kinate to beke bia so that no nekero kwenda sobo choli bwa muchujo litanga no bwate ka card go chakira bwo.
Yaya. Tengo kani ngendeka.
Okay.
Oko ewe card kujitwara koboko. Temine tinga igo kwa beire member ye patieria.
Okay.
Abantu barabange for example, for example iki. Abantu barabange thousands and thousands by charity form na nibo bati card ya progressive party koboko e party yane. Lakini keroko tema kwa beka as a system. Elibo no party list yego cha korwa as a register political parties. It shows you red. Inga or you not registered in another party because to call register party very at the same time.
Okay.
So a card they will identify a member because you can have a card, but when you are entered in the system, when you are registered in another party, it cannot accept you to be a member of that party.
Okay.
That's why to get a focus as a membership card, to get a focus as a certified list by the registrar of political parties.
Okay.
Domo tunamara tuale ikadi koboko lakini bado atali mwanachama ya chama hiyo.
All right. All right. Keta bwo mategele kwa bwatire buya obochole bwa muchujo bali bako participate kwa sababu chiko wake kuramba liboka baraba bwatani be kiamekyo iganda ketonye kuchulio bonge na kolenda lioro chinga kichobo chole bwa muchujo taito twaro molembe chinga kichika chi campaign ngete kwa resire byigo ya mangana transmission na network timanyeti ngwananere ya kwandiro gaigora mangana ataling chi agent ngonyara kuba chi kwenekia lakini ngochere yane kiwo for example kwa unga kusenelio rocheria ruabu kwa ungo bututu